Mega shout out, welcome to my channel. Once again, we will do another favorite video, which is unboxing. So just now guys, I ordered this one yesterday because it keep on coming on my FYP. And then I get interested and I ordered last night and now it just came. So we will do the unboxing guys, and let's check if this one is again, hindi na naman bodol, online versus reality. So this one guys just arrived. Okay, Arabia, blah blah blah, etc. So a gadget gear. Actually, I ordered this one in TikTok shop. So let's do this. Let's do the unboxing guys. Again guys, natuwa lang ako dito. Okay, let's do this. See? Ito po siya guys. Isa siyang stand. Okay, isa siyang stand pero kasama na po ang speaker at the same time. Wireless speaker pero meron at the same time stand na rin siya. So merong off, may USB, may let's do this and tingnan po natin guys. Let's do this kung totoo ba to siya. Hindi ba tayo nabudol na naman? Okay. So paano ba to? Kasi guys, ang ganda niya sa marketing eh. Ang ganda ng marketing lang guys. Yan. Tayo is budol. Palagi nagbudol. Gunting. But anyway, super nakatake talaga siya. Let's see. And then the other side. Then here it goes. So ito po is USB. I don't know kung chargeable ba ito siya guys. Parang chargeable na siya. Okay. Okay. So USB. I don't know how to. Ayan. So turn on and turn on natin. And then sandali lang. Okay, let's check guys kung paano siya. Paano ba ito? Speaker siya. Power on USB. DC charging. Just in case, check natin. So, i-Bluetooth lang. Wireless transmission. Bluetooth. So, i-Bluetooth natin. So, naka-on siya. So, that would be Bluetooth. I-Bluetooth natin siya, guys. Okay. Done. Pair. Okay, perfect. I-Bluetooth mo siya, guys, while nandyan lang nakastand. Perfect. Hindi ka... Okay, so, ayan, guys. Ito na po siya. So, i-Bluetooth mo siya at the same time, stand siya. So, nagupitan lang talaga ako. So now, meron tayong stand at the same time, meron siyang Bluetooth na speaker. So, once again guys, thank you so much for watching another unboxing that we have. And this is a Bluetooth speaker, Bluetooth stand speaker. Grabe talaga, no? Grabe sila mag-inganyo. So, all-in-one na tayo. Okay, all-in-one na. So, may Bluetooth speaker ka na meron pang stand. So, tayo lang siya dyan. Ilagay nyo lang ang cellphone mo at saka mag-music na siya and everything. That's it's so amazing. That's all guys for today. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, please do like and subscribe my video guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And then, this one guys is our Bluetooth speaker. Spread love and positivity. God bless everyone. Thank you.